Hello, this is Cameron doing another update video on our postings, on our trade lines postings. This particular one here, we did a CPN for one of our clients back in August, the middle of August. Actually, it's July, middle of July, toward the end of July, toward the beginning of August. The trade line hit about middle of August. It was August 11th actually. And this was made actually about July 23rd. So you can order the trade line and hit. Let me see, the 23rd. It's about 20 something days later, posted, and score jumped to 741. Again, this is one of our CPNs that is very clean, not linked to anybody. We safe scan them, LexisNexis safe, as well as tri-merge them to all bureaus to make sure this is a safe number. Let me see here. Let's get the details on the trade line. This is on TransUnion, and then we have TransUnion, and it's also on Equifax on both the bureaus. So we got 1.7 years, 1 year, 7 months, one account. So you see, one account can give a good impact on a blank CPN, and that's the way it works with files. The cleaner they are, the blanker they are, the bigger the increase. So here we go, Barclays. We love Barclays. Barclays goes on fast, goes on easy. Let's see, 14,000, perfect pay history, balance is $104. Authorized use. There you go, another trade line postings. Again, we have several trade lines for CPNs. We have much more for Social Security numbers. A lot of people don't know this, but we do postings for Social Security numbers. Again, they can impact the Social Security number profile just as well they impact the CPN profiles. You have to buy older trade lines usually for socials, but they can impact. They can boost the score. I've seen highs 100 to 150 points on the social, provided it's a clean profile. Again, you don't want to add trade lines to bad credit. It doesn't really give a jump on the score. You don't want to do that. You want to clean the credit first, then add the trade line. So there you have it. I'll give you a quick tip about these credit karmas that can help you strengthen your CPN in a matter of minutes. Public profile. Go to public profile or personal information. I can't go now because it shows information, but go here and add details about marriage. I think income's on there too. Something else is on there. But a few details you can add an update on Credit Karma, and they can put it in the public directories and make it stronger. So it's either personal information. I think it's personal information or public profile, and add more information about, I think it's male, female. I think it's either income or job, not job, but you go there and play around with it. You'll see you can add more information about your CPN, give it more of a presence. Let me go to some primaries available for CPNs now. I found one here. This is Wayfair. Very receptive to CPNs. Try and get at least one trade line to raise that score. Wayfair, I've had good feedback from my clients. And then give you a bonus one, Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty is for women. Beauty products, they're pretty easy to get. Again, these primaries here, like Ulta, people say, well, I don't need any beauty products. But what it does, it gives you primary. And that anchors your CPN profile. You gotta have a primary to really get those larger credit cards. Why not try and get both of them? Get the Wayfair and Ulta have two primaries. The Horizon is good too, but you want to have other primaries as well. Even a Hutton Chase. These are more stronger primaries that give you more of a presence, more of a make it stronger on the CPN. Again, you want to wait about 30 days for applying. Try and have one trade line. If you can't get a trade line, wait at least 60 days, and it might work. I got feedback from a client who had bought a CPN from me, and I think 90 days had elapsed, and they actually got a Victoria's Secret with no trade lines. Again, that's the primary, so you're on your way with a primary. Comenity is a good a company to try and get. They back Alta, they back Wayfair. Comedy is a finance company that backs these cards here. So you want to look for Comedy, Comenity, I believe. Those cards are receptive to CPNs. But you want to do the public directories, listyourself.net, and the opt-in, get some reward cards. Again, wait 30 days. Try and get one trade line, even a starter trade line. We're coming out with more starter trade lines, starting at about $150. It's like a 6-month-old city, something like that. What it does, even though it's small, it does give you a score. It gives you somewhere to start. It's better than being blank. Reports to all three usually, whereas Horizon reports to one. I think Hunting Chase reports to two. And it's more of an established trade line as far as a city, and we'll probably come out of maybe the start of Barclays as well. But yeah, we call us about those. We have a lot of starter trade lines now, and that will help jumpstart your CPN. For any questions, call me. We're coming out with another credit repair program. Put a link below that's a little more reasonable. It's below. You can start it for $189, $89 a month. This can we found works very well on a budget. We're still doing business funding for small businesses, and that's about it. I'm also putting up a new website for trade lines for socials. We have over 1,000 of those for socials. So you want to, again, we do a lot of social trade line postings, and that's available to you as well. So my name's Cameron. Any questions, call me 202-213-2218. I'll put the appropriate links below. Be sure to subscribe to us to get updates on our videos. We try and do one every 2 weeks. Ring the bell to get click the bell to get immediate updates when their videos released. So have a good day. Thank you.